Hey Charlotte, so today I'm going to take you on a tour of the family room at the Riu Flamingos, which is not a new resort, but it's been renamed from the Riu Jalisco. This was renovated last year and the rooms are slightly changed, so let's go and check them out. Okay, so this is a family room. It's actually room 5139, and we're just going to take a tour of it after we mute the TV. All right, let's take a look in the bathroom here. We've got the mini bar, which is a standard setup for a Riu resort. So more local national brand alcohol. Mini bar is restocked every 2 days, and boy, is it full. And then you've got a closet, which has a bunch of hangers and a top opening safe. Toilet area, shower with, it's a frosted glass door, so it's not too bad. But if you want full privacy, because this is in the older section, this part is open. So you might want to invest in an Amazon privacy screen. We've got plugins right beside the bed. As you can see, we've got USB and fast charger, as well as a plug-in. Lots of storage. There's a chair on this side, another plug in there, and then we'll head outside. And this one actually is just considered a basic view, but check this out, right by the restaurants and the bars, and you've got a peekaboo view of the ocean. There you go, family room. So I hope you enjoyed that review of the family room category at the Riu Jalisco, which is now called the Riu Flamingos. And if you haven't already done so, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And we'll see you on the next one.